Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wealthfront Robo-Advisor. Wealthfront is a popular online investment platform that uses automated algorithms to manage your investments. To get started, go to the Wealthfront website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created an account, you will be asked to provide some financial information, including your income, expenses, and investment goals. This information will help Wealthfront create a personalized investment plan for you. You will also be asked to choose your risk tolerance, which will determine the types of investments that are recommended for you. After you have provided the necessary information, Wealthfront will create a diversified investment portfolio for you. This portfolio will be based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Wealthfront uses a variety of investment products, including index funds and exchange-traded funds, to create a diversified portfolio. One of the key features of Wealthfront is its tax loss harvesting service. This service helps to minimize your tax liability by selling investments that have lost value and using the losses to offset gains from other investments. This can help to reduce your tax bill and increase your after-tax returns. To fund your Wealthfront account, you can link your bank account and transfer funds electronically. You can also set up automatic transfers to make investing easier and less prone to being neglected. Wealthfront has a low fee structure, with a management fee of 0.25% per year. Wealthfront also offers a mobile app that allows you to monitor your investments on the go. The app provides real-time updates on your portfolio and allows you to make changes to your investment plan at any time. Additionally, Wealthfront offers a variety of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, to help you learn more about investing and personal finance. In conclusion, Wealthfront is a powerful tool for investors who want to create a diversified investment portfolio without the hassle and expense of working with a traditional financial advisor. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Wealthfront, you can create a personalized investment plan that helps you achieve your financial goals.